welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys another Temu haul. I am pretty excited to share with you guys. This is a video that I'm very excited to share with you guys. But it is just like a bunch of random things, stuff that I'm going to do with our family. So if you guys are not new, Temu is an awesome website or app that you guys can get items up to 90% off. They're a lot cheaper than certain other places. I always price compare and I always find Temu is the cheapest. They allow free shipping and sometimes you guys can even get like a $5 credit if the item shows up late. I've had that happen before. And they do offer free returns up to 90 days off. So I'm just going to kind of share with you guys everything that I got. But if you guys are interested, if you download the app, you can get a $100 coupon bundle. So it's not $100 off, but it is a couponing bundle of $100 of a whole bunch of items that you guys can get. You just want to use the code TKQ2539 and you guys can get that bundle. If you guys click it, make sure you let me know and see what goodies you got. But let's just dig into my haul that I am super excited to share with you guys. So, earlier this year, I was talking about I want to start a scrapbook. I always collect smash pennies wherever we go. But guess what? Smash pennies are not as big as what they used to be. When we went to Canada, they don't do smash pennies anymore. And I'm like, you know what? I kind of want to start getting stickers. And I want to make a scrapbook. And you guys, I found a scrapbook that I am so excited for. So I got this little scrapbook. It's called Our Adventure Book. And I'm like, okay, I really want to get something that is a great quality. And I cannot believe the quality of this. So here it is. It says Our Adventure Book. And I mean, it is an actual book. Now, this was $22.93. And then it says right here, Our Adventure Book. And then it is kind of a little bit hard to open, but you open it up. And what it is, it's an actual book. It's like an actual book. The husband's like, I wish the pages were white. And I'm like, yeah, I do agree with you on that, but I still love this book. I thought this would be a great book for us to collect our stickers in. And they do come with some stuff that you guys can have. Like it came with these little tags that you can put things in there. And then it came up with a bunch of stickers that look like they're stamps. So I thought that'd be kind of cool to decorate. But like this is the best quality that I've seen. And like, I don't even know how many pages it is. It doesn't even say. But I mean, look at that. This thing could last us years. And I'm pretty excited. I mean, yeah, I don't care it has like the brown pages on it because I plan on covering up with stickers anyways. So I got that and I am beyond excited for this. This is like one of my favorite things. We're going to make 2024 an awesome year. And then what I also got was I got some stickers to go with these. So these were 50 stickers of the United States, and these were $1.79. And basically what it is, it's like stickers for every state. And I thought these would be cool to put in that book. So if I wanted to do each page would be a different state, or I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I could do. I got to figure out how many pages that is, and then like, because like I'm gonna do Wisconsin obviously a lot, so I don't know, I kind of want to figure it out as we go. But I thought these stickers would be perfect for that little book. And then my son loves keeping track of where we go. I mean, we've been to a lot of states, so I ended up getting this, and I don't want to unroll it out, but basically what it is, it's a map. And I want to kind of get like a poster board and kind of maybe frame it or put it on something. But this is like a puzzle of a bunch of states that you put on a map. This was, really, I don't have this written down. Okay, it was just $7.29. So basically you put the sticker of where you went. So we went to California. My kids have been to Minnesota. We've been to Illinois, Michigan. And I thought this would be kind of cool as we travel. We get to put the sticker on the state where we're at. So I thought this was something that I'm pretty excited for. And like I said, I don't want to open it up until I figure out. Now, the minute my kids saw this, we had to open it up. We had to open it up. This is one of those TikTok things that I've seen so many of them. But it's so easy to do. You just, you know, push your buttons and then you push this to flip them out like that. I mean, it turns on. Welcome to the push game. And like, I can't see it. My kid loves this game. Like, he's already addicted to this game. And this was just $3.51. $3.51 and free shipping. Free shipping. I've seen these on TikTok going for twice the price, and you have to pay for shipping. So I'm just saying, there's a ton of these, and this is what I got. But for $3.51, my son's like, can I get another one? I'm like, yeah, we'll get you another one. And there is volume control on here, so you guys can control the volume on it, which is awesome. Another thing I did was I got some chore charts. Now, I ended up having one for my last Temu, and I love this. So basically what I did is, these are blank ones. This is a 4-pack. This was $10.49. Well, what I want to do is I want to have my kids have like a daily chore chart. So what I'm going to do is, I have a label machine that I got from Temu. I showed you guys a review on it one time, and they also gave me extra paper if I want to do that. But what I did is, I did my little label machine, and then I'm going to have it where the kids can check it off if they do that item. And I'm going to have them do like a couple things a day. And so I got one for my son, one for my husband, or I don't know if my husband will do it, but I thought this would be a great thing to kind of make it a little game. And then I can label this stuff as I go. But this is something that I'm super excited for. I made one for myself, and it is successful because my goal is to pick like 5 things in a day of it. But I mean, I made one where it's like loads of laundry, 10 minutes of I write my thank you cards, I organize a shelf, I'll randomly pick like 5 things to donate, empty a box, vacuum, or, you know, do the windows. So it kind of helps me just pick like 5 things, and it helps because I have ADD. But that was a great thing that I'm super excited for. I got a Bluetooth speaker. I've been seeing these like crazy, and I am so excited. This was $10.99, and I am so excited to use this because, like, if I'm out doing something and I don't want to wear headphones, I can just listen to this. Like, my daughter's always asking to listen to music while she's in the bathtub, and I'm like, I could just put this in the bathroom and have her listen to music through my phone while, you know, we're just chilling in the bathtub. So I love this color purple, you guys. I'm so obsessed with this purple. But look at that, and it's got a nice string to it. So this is like something you can bring to the beach, something you can go to where you need to listen to music or a podcast or something, an audio book. But I just love the purple on here. I just love it. And this was $10.99. And you just like turn it on, you got the volume on here, and then I don't know what the M is for. I gotta figure out what the M is for, but so cute, and it's so perfect. It's just, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I got that. And then the next thing I got is a little printer. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. I don't have the price for this, but I know the blue one was a little bit cheaper than the pink one. So I want to say this was like $8.49. But what it is, it's a little mini printer, and I thought this is super cute. I do have to download the app, and then what you do is you like turn it on and you connect it through your Bluetooth. But I thought this would be super perfect for me to do it. It does have paper in it. It is regular paper, but it's kind of like receipt paper. So if I need to like print like a little diaphragm or a little note to myself or like a grocery list, you got something right here. You got something right here. So like I said, I think this was like $8.49. But what I ended up getting is I got some refill paper for it. I got some regular paper. The regular paper was just $2.49 for 5 of them. And then this only prints black. It only prints black. It's kind of like a thermal printer. But then I got these sticker sheets, and these were $1.99. $1.99 or $2.49. But I'm pretty excited to use this because, like, I'm always making notes of where I got to go run my things. I'm writing them on a piece of paper. Why not just print them out? I mean, I know I could put it on notes on my phone, but I like to have cute little things like this. So I just got that, and I will be doing a review on this. I will be doing a review on that when I get that posted. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring my video. I love sharing with you guys stuff that I use on a regular basis and stuff that I'm pretty excited for. But the one thing I'm super excited for is that adventure book. Anytime we go somewhere, I'm always going to get a sticker, if it's a freebie sticker or if it's a sticker we got to pay for. But I want to start collecting stickers, so it's something to say, oh yeah, we went there, because not every place does special. Any place we go to now, I have to have a sticker. I'm going to try to get a sticker, and I'm pretty excited for that. So thanks, Temu, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys next time for another Temu haul. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.